Production Order Manager. Fast production planning with a digital interface. This is Lisa. She is a production manager and is responsible for planning and coordinating all production efforts at her place of work. Lisa must ensure the maximum production capacity for each production line in her area using the correct product formats. Her biggest challenge is managing this with the company's complex product diversity. The Production Order Manager can be used to create a wide variety of production templates. Based on these templates, production orders can be planned on the computer and transferred directly to the HMI. The release management system ensures that only approved templates and orders enter into production. This not only saves a lot of time, but also helps avoid manual input errors. Thanks to digitally set production parameters and product information, a production order can be planned within a very short time. Lisa no longer has to worry about production errors due to manual input on the HMI. The production tracking now converges at a central point in the Production Order Manager. Each production order can be viewed at any time.